Alright, so here is the DJI NEO. We're gonna take a quick look at the box here, and then I'm gonna be unboxing this. So this is just a standalone drone package here. They do have a fly more combo, but this is pretty much it. I mean, the box is actually super light, and obviously this one, it doesn't need a remote, it doesn't need anything. All it needs is your hand for it to take off and land. Anyways, 135 grams, light and portable. Palm takeoff and landing, AI subject tracking, quick shots, multiple control options, 4K ultra stabilized video, full coverage, propeller guards. Okay, let's see what's actually in the box here. We've got the aircraft, flight battery, propeller guards, spare propellers, screwdriver type C, USB type C charge, and the manual. Right, and interestingly here it says that the age that's recommended to fly this drone is 16 plus. All right, so let's open this up and take a look. So we've got the manual here. Let's take a look. So this is to download the DJI app. Right, and we've got the more information here. A lot of books, a lot of paperwork here. Quick start guide, safety guidelines. What is this? Japan flight safety rules. Alright, let's take a look at this. What is this? Stickers? What is this? Oh wow, look at this. We've got pretty nice vinyls here. We've got 1, 2. Okay, so what is this? So we've got DJI. We've got this, like, I guess it's like all their fly to the future. These are all their drones and their gimbals. Cool. And then we've also got, wow, we've got more here. This cool DJI logo. Memory card, DJI. That's pretty cool. I like these. I like it when companies have, like, they offer stickers, kind of like the Apple sticker. Right? Pretty nice. Alright, and let's take a look at here. Okay, go from the bottom here. Okay, so we've got the USB type C. Oh, it's a USB type C on both ends here. Alright. We've got the screwdriver, a DJI screwdriver, and then we have, I believe, the propeller or something. Yeah, the propellers. So we've got 2 spare propellers. They're tiny. All right. Now let's take a look at the drone. Wow. So we've got the 4 little propellers here. Let's just take a look. Okay, so you can remove the guards, and then you just pop these open, and then you can take this whole thing out, and then you can have access to the props if you damage it. But I mean, it'll be quite hard to damage it just because, you know, if you got all this protection, so it's really your hand is really going to be hard to get caught with these or cut with these props, unless you know, really just jam your fingers in here. Right. Okay, on the bottom we've got, looks like 3 sensors here. I'm guessing that's what's gonna know where your hand is and, you know, land there. We've got a gimbal protector. Okay, so it just snaps right off like that. And then it only, yeah, okay, so it really just goes up and down, doesn't go left or right. I'm guessing for left or right, it'll just fly itself. And you can see the word NEO here on the side. All right, and then the battery. Let's take a look at what the battery is. Okay. Wow, okay. Charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. All right. And this is a super tiny battery here. It's super light as well. And lithium ion, of course. This has a, I can't even see it though, it's word so small. 7.3 volts, 1435 milliamp hours. All right. And then it goes right into here. So yeah, it's got and that's pretty much it. Now we're just gonna snap this back in, just like so. USB-C charges in the back and the rear, and then we've got the control buttons here, right? So you can choose. I think that's right. Let me. I don't know if I want to turn it on yet, but okay. So we've got. I'm guessing that's the battery indicator, and then we've got the different modes, fly modes. You can just control here if you don't want to use the app on your phone. So here I do have a scale, and let's just see exactly how much this thing weighs in grams. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this down, and we are at 135 grams. What did the box say again? Yes, it does say 135 grams, and we are exactly at 135 grams. Wow. This is how light this is. Pretty crazy. Right. Anyways, alright, so I'm going to charge this up, and then I'm going to give this thing a test run tomorrow at a park, and let you know what my impressions are. But this is it for this video. Just going to show you a detailed unboxing of this DJI NEO, and let me know what you guys think. And if there's anything you want me to test out for you guys to, if you guys are interested, and I just put that and leave that in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.